Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all glowing skin diet plan with the weight loss benefits. Now a lot of people ask me how can you lose weight fast along with your glowing skin benefits. So this particular diet plan is for all of those who want to lose weight fast along with a healthier and younger looking skin. Recently my lots of clients followed this diet plan for immense weight loss and they were able to see great weight loss results and at the same time amazing skin benefits as well. And so can you. For personalized weight loss diet plans, you can always mail me at eatmoreloosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number and we can start your weight loss transformation with me. So without any delay, let's get started with glowing skin diet plan and how you can lose weight fast along with skin benefits. Early in the morning, empty stomach, we'll start our day with diuretic water, which should be kesar water. Now what you have to do is soak 2 strands of kesar overnight in 1 glass of water. Simply boil it in the morning and have it empty stomach. The benefits of kesar or saffron are amazing. It also is appetite suppressant, helps in weight loss and also is a collagen boosting property element. Kesar helps develop natural red blood cells in your skin and at the same time improves your collagen quality. So always prefer kesar water for the morning for diuretic water. Now if you cannot have this, then you can always have aloe vera juice. 1 to 2 teaspoons of aloe vera juice mixed in 1 glass of lukewarm water in the morning. You can have it empty stomach. Aloe vera is a super antioxidant rich plant and at the same time boasts about anti-inflammatory properties as well. Any kind of skin burns or tanning or any kind of pigmentation in the body can be healed with aloe vera. So you can have aloe vera juice for your diuretic water as well. Now let's proceed towards our breakfast options when it comes to your skin glowing benefit. We'll always prefer first option is ABC juice, that is apple beetroot carrot juice. Preparation is super simple. All you have to do is simply blend apple, beetroot or carrot. You can even blend it or take the juice out of it as well in a juicer and have it for your breakfast. You can also try my collagen boosting drink as well. The recipe is here. Second option for your breakfast can be 1 fresh coconut water along with strawberries or berries or kiwi. Always prefer fresh coconut water only and not the packaged one. Along with that, why you should have strawberries or kiwis for your breakfast is because strawberry fades away any kind of hyperpigmentation in your skin and at the same time removes all the dark spots as well. Any fruit in the morning helps to remove all the bad toxins from your body very quickly and at the same time promotes collagen benefits in your skin. So always start your day with fruits. Third option for your breakfast can be healthy almond milk. In that you can also add 1 to 2 drops of almond oil, which will also help to moisturize your skin within. Along with that, you can even have some fruits like 2 apples or a good full bowl of fruit can be good along with healthy almond milk. And the last breakfast option is for all the vegetarians out there who can eat eggs for their breakfast. You should always try to consume at least 3 boiled egg whites or you can even prepare a veggie omelette out of it. Along with that, you can have 1 cup of green tea or coffee or tea as per your own preference, but make sure to add no any kind of sugar or any kind of sweetener to your coffees. Prefer if you can have green tea along with your eggs. Now let's proceed towards our mid-morning snack. The first option for your mid-morning snack can be halim or olive seeds water. Now all you have to do is simply soak 2 teaspoons of olive or halim seeds in 1 glass of water for 30 minutes and have it for your mid-morning snack. Now the benefits of halim seeds are it's great source of iron, calcium, protein, at the same time gives you amazing skin benefits as well. If you cannot have halim or olive seeds, then you can always have chia seed water as well. Again, soak 2 teaspoons of chia seeds in 1 glass of lukewarm water. Sit it for approximately 30 minutes and have it for your mid-morning snack. great source of fiber, calcium, and at the same time removes all the constipation as well. And now let's proceed towards our lunch options. And as usual, 30 to 40 minutes before our lunch, we'll have apple cider vinegar in lukewarm water. All you have to do is simply add 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar in 1 glass of lukewarm water. Have it 30 to 40 minutes before your lunch. It works as a great appetite suppressant and also boosts the metabolism from within to give you good weight loss results. And now let's check out our lunch options for skin benefits. The first one can be Beetroot Oats roti, and the recipe for my Beetroot Oats roti is here. Taken Eat More Lose More's gluten-free oats flour. To this I'll be adding grated beetroot and just knead the dough with little water and your soft dough is ready. All you have to do is just sprinkle little oats flour over it and prepare chapatis with this flour. Trust me, it will come out so tasty and at the same point very healthy in each and every manner. They are soft in nature and very amazing to eat. Have it with any of your tasty and favorite sabzi or curries. Beetroots are a great source of fiber, vitamin B9, manganese, potassium, iron and vitamin C. So make sure that you should definitely add 1 beetroot a day in your diet without fail. And now let's proceed towards our second option for lunch, which can be, you can have, if you're a non-vegetarian, you can always have fish, preferred salmon, curry along with brown rice plus curd plus salad. Now if you cannot have fish, then you can always replace it with any kind of pulses like rajma, black chana, white chana as per your own preference. If you can have fish, then you should always have salmon for your fish as it is rich in omega-3 fatty acids. It's a very great source of protein, high in vitamin B and at the same time great source of potassium as well. So you should always incorporate salmon in your diet if you are a non-vegetarian and can have fish. And always prefer to have brown rice instead of white rice because the benefits of brown rice are much higher in each and every content. Higher in antioxidant level, higher in fiber, removes all the constipation very quickly and at the same time great for your gut health as well. The recipe for brown rice is here. Now in a pressure cooker, I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil. To this I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of jeera and let it splutter for at least 2 minutes. Then I'll be adding freshly chopped green chilies to this. Mix it all well. This I'll be adding 1 whole cup of broccoli. Now this is very fresh broccoli. Along with this I'll be adding bell peppers, red and yellow bell peppers chopped. Fresh red carrots, approximately 1 cup again, 1 cup of green peas. So here we have added all the green vegetables and to this I'll be adding salt according to taste, black pepper powder and turmeric powder. Along with this I'm also adding coriander powder. Mix it all well. You can add the spices according to your own choice, whatever you feel like. And to this I'll be adding soaked brown rice. Make sure to cook the rice before for at least 2 minutes properly. And to this then I'm adding fresh coriander leaves for taste. They are amazing to give good flavor and to this I'm adding 3 cups of water. Mix it all well and let it cook for approximately 3 whistles. And once the whistles are over, do not open it immediately. Let it cook in its own steam for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. And once done, you can open it and you can see how well a brown rice pulao is ready. With all the greens and red vegetables, you can see how colorful it is and tastes amazing in each and every manner. And you can always buy Eat More Lose More's organic basmati and at the same time tastes very similar to white rice. You won't feel any kind of difference when you prepare this rice and have it with your curries or pulses. Third option for a lunch is you can have high protein, either Paneer Burji or egg burji along with 2 slices of multigrain bread. Now this particular lunch option is for all those who need a very quick lunch when it comes to their daily routine habits. So you can always prepare Paneer Burji with 70 to 80 grams of paneer or you can have 2 egg whites burji along with 2 slices of multigrain bread. And now let's quickly proceed towards our mid-evening snack for which you can have 1 cup of matcha tea. Now what are the health benefits of matcha tea? It has detoxifying agent benefits and at the same time boosts the metabolism very quickly. 1 cup of matcha tea is equal to 10 cups of green tea. So the antioxidant level is super high and great for weight loss in each and every criteria. Along with that, you can have 5 soaked almonds and 1 piece of dark chocolate. As this diet plan is completely sugar-free diet plan, so you can always have 1 piece of dark chocolate to reduce your sugar cravings of any kind. Now if you cannot have matcha tea, then you can always have apple cinnamon detox water as well. The complete recipe for my apple cinnamon detox water is yet again here, and you can check out this recipe and follow it for great weight loss results. Now let's proceed towards our dinner options for skin benefit diet plan to lose weight fast as well. The first option can be grilled veggies. Very important to take your greens of the entire day. Green vegetables contain vitamin E in them, which helps to protect your skin cells from free radical damage. It is a great source of folate, that is vitamin B9, and amazing for skin benefits in each and every criteria. So you should always take your greens. You can boil the veggies as well. You can grill them or stir fry as per your own preference. I like to add broccoli, paneer, tomato, onion, cucumber. Whatever your preferred choices of vegetables are, you can add to this stir fry and have it for your dinner. Second option is lemon coriander soup. Soup works for each and every weather out there, so you can always have lemon coriander soup, and here is the complete recipe of my soup.
Just a pinch of or half a teaspoon of oil, and I'm using here olive oil, you can use any oil. In this I'll be adding chopped green chilies and ginger. Just saute it for 2 seconds, and then in this I'll be adding chopped broccoli. 1 cup broccoli is enough. You can just stir fry it for at least 2 minutes, and then I'll be adding here 1 cup of corns and 1 cup of carrots. Saute it all for 2 minutes and then add salt according to taste, and then black pepper powder. You can also use roasted jeera powder to this. Mix it all well and stir fry it for 2 minutes again, and then to this I'll be adding freshly chopped coriander leaves. Now coriander gives a very amazing flavor to this soup, and you do not need to add any kind of corn flour to this to prepare the slurry. Mix it all well, saute it for 2 minutes, and then I'll be adding 2 cups of water to this. Let it boil for at least 5 to 6 minutes. You can even close the lid and let it simmer for at least 2 minutes, and then we'll be adding approximately 2 teaspoons of lemon juice to this. Mix it all well and your lemon coriander soup is ready to serve.
And now let's proceed towards our bedtime drink, which is very important when it comes to your skin benefits and as well as for your weight loss as well. First option is 1 cup of chamomile tea. 1 cup of chamomile tea helps to relieve the stress of the entire day and also promotes very good sleep, which is very important for skin benefits. You should take definitely 8 hours of sound sleep every single night, which chamomile tea helps to provide in a very good manner. Second option is you can have ajwain tea or jeera tea when it comes to your water retention, bloating or swelling issues. Any kind of bloating, water retention is reduced with ajwain or jeera tea. Very easy to prepare. The recipe is here. You can follow it and enjoy your bedtime drink. With this diet plan, please make sure to consume at least 2 to 3 liters of normal room temperature water without any fail to remove all the bad toxins from your body very quickly, and hydration is very important for either your skin or weight loss as well as. For personalized weight loss diet plans, you can always mail me at eatmoreloosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, and we can start your weight loss transformation with me. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment below if you have any query regarding any of the diet plans, and I'll be more than happy to revert back to you. Follow me on Instagram to stay updated for what I eat in a day videos, and at the same time all my client transformation related queries. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.